Hi everyone. I just want to show like how you can actually record your screen and camera at the same time just for free. So go to Clipchamp. It's a free software by Microsoft, and you can go to the Clipchamp and you can just click on continue with Google. Just your Google account and just click on continue and just click on create new video and just go to record and create, and the first option click on screen and camera and click on allow, and you can see once you start clicking on this red button it will give you an option to which one to record. And in this case maybe for suppose I basically clicked on the same screen which we are in, and you can see I'm already started recording, so that's the reason. And after that you can just click on stop
And you
and
can
you can
see.
save and edit, and it will give you an option to actually download each one of the file to your local itself. And if you want to edit it here you can actually edit directly here, and if you want to just download save video as, and it will record both of them separately so you can utilize your voice at the same time. If you want to utilize the screen recording itself, you can do both of them for free completely. And you can record a video of max of 30 minutes, which is like pretty good time when compared to other free softwares like loop and itself. And the other screen recording I want to show, which is not that which is pretty popular but I don't use that much because it does have a capability issues and other stuff, which is Canva. And it is only available in Canva like through the website, not through the app. So you can go to Canva and you can do the same thing, log in with some Google account, and once you do that you can go to any of the thing like maybe YouTube or something, and like click on this one and like customize this template, like click on any template. And no, just whenever it asks says just click on no thanks, because the option is only available on the web version of the Canva, not on the app version. And then go to uploads, and you have an option called record yourself and allow for both of them. And here you need to click on the second option of camera press screen, and here you can select your window, and you can do only screen or only camera or do the both at the same time. And don't try to record like really lengthy videos with Canva, because once you stop finishing the upload it tries to upload it to the cloud of Canva itself, so sometimes it errors out if you record a really long video. But I tried with like 30 minutes, it should be pretty decent and good. And same with like a Clipchamp. Once you finish 30 minutes of recording, just start record again, and you can like record multiple videos with 30 minutes of timeline, but you can edit all of them in like the same place, so it's just an attachment of one video after another video. These two are like pretty much free and anybody can use it like unlimited number of times just using the free login, and you don't need to update or pay any money like monthly. Thank you very much.